A logo is like a friendly face for your business. It's the first thing people see. You want it to be memorable. Imagine a big juicy burger. That makes you think of McDonald's, right? Their logo works. A good logo tells people what you do. Are you selling toys? Maybe your logo is bright and playful. Are you a serious lawyer? Your logo might be simple and strong. Your logo goes everywhere. It's on your website, your business cards, maybe even your products. It needs to look good, big or small. Think of your logo as a little ambassador for your brand. It should make people feel good about your business. Before you start sketching, think about your brand. What makes it special? Write down some words that describe your business. Let's say you make handmade jewelry. Your words might be natural, beautiful, unique, handmade. Keep these words in mind as you design. Look at logos you like. Don't copy them, just get inspired. What do you like about them? The colors? The shapes? Now think about your logo. Do you want a picture? Just words? Or a mix of both? There's no wrong answer, just what feels right for your brand. If your logo uses words, choose your font carefully. Fonts have personalities too. A playful, handwritten font might be perfect for a bakery, but it wouldn't be right for a bank, would it? They need something strong and trustworthy. Don't use too many different fonts. 1 or 2 is enough. And make sure your words are easy to read, even when the logo is small. Experiment with different fonts. You can find lots of free ones online. See what looks good with your brand name. Section 4. Shapes make a statement. Shapes are like secret messages in your logo. A circle feels friendly and complete. A square feels strong and reliable. Triangles are exciting and energetic. You can use shapes to make pictures or just to add interest. Look at the Apple logo. It's simple but effective. The apple shape is instantly recognizable. Don't make your logo too complicated. Simple shapes are best. They're easy to remember and they look good anywhere. Section 5. Color makes it pop. Color is powerful. It can make people feel happy, excited, or even hungry. Think about the colors you associate with McDonald's, like red and yellow or Facebook with its blue. Choose colors that reflect your brand. Green is often used for natural products. Blue can feel trustworthy and calm. Red is exciting and energetic. Don't use too many colors. Stick to 2 or 3 main ones. And make sure your logo looks good in black and white too. You'll need it for things like faxes and photocopies. Section 6. Sharing your logo with the world. You've designed your logo. Now you need to save it correctly. You'll need different file types for different uses. A JPEG is good for websites. A PNG file is better for images with transparent backgrounds. And a vector file, like an EPS or SVG, is important for printing. Vector files keep your logo looking sharp, even when it's blown up really big. There are lots of free and paid design programs that can help you create your logo and export it in the right formats. Designing a logo takes practice. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. With a little effort, you can create a logo that perfectly represents your brand.